Cabin care will clean and sanitise all of the surfaces inside your vehicle, removing the dirt and grime you can see and the germs you can't, giving you and your passengers peace of mind. Let me show you how it works. It's a really powerful cleaner, cutting through grease, grime, dust and dirt with ease. Just spray on, leave to dwell, then wipe away with a microfiber cloth. It's perfect for muddy footprints on door sills and footrests, the backs of the seats and in the boot. And it also contains antimicrobial agents that kill viruses, bacteria, yeast and mold spores, all the nasties that you don't want to hang around on your surfaces. Easily cleanse all of the places you touch with your hands, like door handles, steering wheels, gear sticks, touch screens and all around your dashboard. This time, spray onto the cloth, wipe over, wait a few seconds and then buff dry. You can even use it on fabrics to break down the germs that typically cause nasty smells. Just spray and leave. Perfect if you have dogs, you never know what's on their feet. Tested to all the relevant quality standards means it's safe to use, works fast and doesn't leave any residues behind. Just a sanitised cabin with a clean, fresh fragrance. Pop one of these in your glove box and it's always there when you need it. Maybe you're out shopping or picking up the kids from school. It only takes a few moments to sanitise the surface around you, giving you peace of mind. So that's cabin care, a really effective cleaner that takes care of the dirt you can see and the germs you can't, killing viruses, bacteria and mold.